Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hailed the passage of 3 criminal justice bills by Parliament and said these bills mark the end of colonial era laws. Prime Minister Narendra Modi met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla at Parliament House after Lok Sabha was adjourned sine die. A subvariant of the Omicron strain of coronavirus has been classified as a variant of interest by the World Health Organization because of its rapidly increasing spread. In the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the death toll in yesterday's terrorist attack has mounted to 4, with one more army personnel succumbing to injuries. Union Minister for Youth Affairs, Sports and Information and Broadcasting Anurag Singh Thakur will inaugurate the Khelo India Youth Games in Tamil Nadu, Chennai today.